Hi guys, this is Jeff with Green Fuel H2o.com. I wanted to take just a couple of minutes today and go over one of the questions that I get asked most often. And that question is, hey, if I buy one of your kits, one of your hydrogen generator kits, am I going to be able to install that in my vehicle and run my vehicle just off of the hydrogen gas that's produced by the generator? And can I just stop buying gas or diesel altogether? And the short answer to that is no, you're not going to be able to do that. Probably the simplest explanation I can give you as to why that won't work would be, let's say, for example, that your vehicle would require this much hydrogen created to be able to run solely on the hydrogen. This isn't to scale, this is just to illustrate a point. So let's say that that's the hydrogen that's needed. Your vehicle is going to produce enough power and electrical energy to produce this much HHO gas. There's the problem. Now the first thing you might think is, well, just increase this. Throw on some more alternators or whatever it takes to create more power and electrical energy to make more HHO gas. The problem is, the bigger this gets, the bigger this has to get. This never catches up, or more importantly, never surpasses the amount of hydrogen that you would need to run your vehicle solely on hydrogen. So that's the shortest, simplest explanation I can give. So the next obvious question is going to be, all right then, Jeff, what's the point? Why even put a kit on a car if it's not going to run solely on the hydrogen gas? It has to do with this number right here, 25%. That's the approximate efficiency level that your combustion engine in your car or your truck is burning the gas or the diesel that it's burning. So it's at 25%. So the goal by introducing the HHO kit into your vehicle is to increase this number so your vehicle burns the fuel more efficiently and you get better gas mileage. So it acts kind of like a catalyst. Your car's already burning some gas. It's already burning diesel. So we want to introduce the HHO gas to increase the efficiency that your gas is currently being burned in your vehicle. So the next obvious question after that is, well, how much more? How much better is it going to get? Well, it's not a set number. There's a lot of variables to it, but we would hope that most of our customers end up with somewhere between a 20 to 30% improvement. We can't guarantee where it hits. It's like saying, well, if you have an internal combustion engine, every internal combustion engine gets exactly 20 miles to the gallon. They don't. There's too many variable factors. It's the same thing with the kit. That's why we hope that people get somewhere around a 20 to 30% improvement. You might experience 40%. You might experience 15%. There's no way of really knowing because there's too many variables. So that's the number one reason why people like the kits. They want to be able to increase the amount of gas mileage that they're getting and the efficiency that their vehicle is burning the gas that it's currently consuming. The second reason why people like it is it lowers the emissions. You're basically burning water. So your emissions will be able to be reduced. And you can actually, if you have a machine that measures that, you can actually turn on the HHO gas and see that actually drop the emissions that's being burned. The third reason why people like to use one of these kits in their car or their truck is it helps to clean the internal system of the engine. It will actually help burn the carbon off so that your vehicle gets cleaned basically on the inside. We actually have a couple of companies where we make kits and we make generators that we send to them. They go around to big diesel companies and they hook the generator up to the diesel truck, run it for a while and actually clean the system. It helps to clean some of the really expensive filters so they don't have to buy the filters as often. So there's actually a couple of businesses that we supply generators to that do that. So it helps to clean the internal engine system as well. So those are basically the three reasons. acts as a catalyst to increase the gas mileage, lowers the emission, and helps to clean the engine system. So that's the main reasons why people buy these kits. So I hope that answers your questions. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any other questions. And again, it's Jeff with greenfuelh2o.com. Thanks. Have a great day.